In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MT5 from Exness. We'll go through the full process from accessing your Exness personal area to installing MetaTrader 5 and logging into your trading account. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can get set up without confusion. Start by going to your Exness personal area and signing in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the account section and click on it. This is where your trading accounts are managed, and it's also where you'll access the platform download options tied to your account. Next, find the account you want to use and click on Trade. This opens the trading platform choices available for that account. From there, select MetaTrader 5. Make sure you choose MetaTrader 5 specifically since Exness may also show other platform options, and you want the correct terminal for this setup. After selecting MetaTrader 5, click on Download Terminal. Your browser should begin downloading the MT5 installation file. Depending on your browser and computer settings, you may see the file appear at the bottom of the screen or inside your Downloads folder. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to begin the installation. If your computer shows a system prompt asking for permission to allow the app to make changes, click Yes so the installer can continue. This is a normal part of installing software on many devices. Now follow the installation wizard. You may be asked to agree to the license terms and confirm the installation folder. In most cases, the default folder is fine unless you have a specific reason to change it. Continue through the setup until the installation is complete, then click Finish. After MT5 opens for the first time, you may see a prompt asking you to open a new account. In this case, cancel or close that window. Since you already have an Exness trading account, you don't need to create a new one from inside the platform. Next, go to the File menu in MT5 and choose Login to Trade Account. You'll then need to enter your Exness login, your account password, and the server ID associated with your account. You can find that server information in your Exness personal area, so if you're unsure, go back there and check the account details carefully. Once you enter the correct information and confirm, MT5 should connect to your Exness account. At that point, the platform is installed and ready to use. If the login doesn't work right away, double check that the login details and server name were entered exactly as shown in your account area.